GM guys. So today we're going to be talking about the Pharos Airdrop. Now, what is the Pharos Airdrop? Pharos is a high output EVM compatible layer 1 focused on real world asset adoption, built by X and Group, Solana, Ripple, OKX engineers. It features 30 to 50k TPS with 1 second finality, with architecture. Trust me, I don't really understand all this shit. I know you probably didn't understand all that crypto jargon, right? But this is just trying to say that the Pharos airdrop is an upcoming EVM compatible layer 1, right? And it's prioritizing speed and scalability and everything. So from April 2025, it was led by Alpha Ant Chain, blah blah blah, competitive edge ecosystem. So the part we're interested in, the tokenomics and airdrop mechanics. Total supply is 1 billion PHRS, which is their native token. And this token will be used for gas, staking, governance, blah blah blah. Now, the seed round raised around $8 million. Wow, $8 million. And this was led by and backed by Lightspeed Faction, Hack VC, Reforge, Disperse, Ash Global, you know them big names in the crypto space, alright? So this airdrop is literally like a testnet type of airdrop. You understand? So to hop on this, go straight to this video's description and copy my referral code, paste it in your browser and hit enter. And it should take you to their website. This is the airdrop website, alright? So the first thing you're gonna do is click on connect wallet by the upper right hand side of your screen. And then if you don't have the Pharos testnet like me right now, I've not added the Pharos testnet network to my MetaMask wallet. I'll have to, add it. Clicking on switch will help us do that. And as you can see here, you're adding this network to MetaMask and giving me the site, and you're giving this site the permission to use it. Okay, so just let's read it involved. Click on approve, and you've added and you've connected your wallets to this website. Just have to confirm, and you're in. As you can see, this is your wallet's address. Now, don't mind these X's you see in here. That's because you didn't join in time, okay? So for every day you missed to check in, you get this big X. Funny, right? So click on check in. Let's start from there, and you checked in successfully for today. Now the check-in is for every 24 hours. Now as a test net, this is preparing the network for higher transactions when it's going to be released. So you're meant to be transferring, receiving, you're just performing actions and activities on chain, right? So first of all, we'll just do these social tasks to help us. So when you're done with all the social tasks, then let's move to the next stage of this thing, man. Alright, you remember this is a testnet, right? So you need tokens. Like you need test tokens to, test this network, testnet, you understand? So this, you click on home, this particular button here, and you scroll down a little. This is where you can claim Faucet tokens. Confirm that you're not a robot. Honestly, any robot can answer this, to be real. And click on claim now. Now I can only claim 0.2 PHRS every 24 hours. That's how it is for now. So go back to experience. Now we have 0.2 PHRS. It's time for us to, do a little something on the testnet, right? So here you can see you can swap, provide liquidity, send to friends, and invite friends. Inviting friends is not an activity, but you understand, right? All right, so when you're done claiming your faucet for the day and you know, doing all the social tasks, as you can see, make sure that they all see green like this. So the next thing we got to do is perform some actions on this network, right? I mean, this is a test net, so we're here to test it. As you can see, there are two different protocols we can use to perform some actions. You can see Zenith and Pharos Swap. Pharos Swap was new, but before it wasn't working. But now I think they're both online. So you can either swap via Zenith or Pharos Swap, or provide liquidity via these two platforms, alright? So let's use Pharos Swap. So as you can see, this is the Pharos Swap homepage, literally, right? You can see swap guiding your trades through DeFi waters, blah blah blah. So just connect your wallets, and you're welcome. You're welcome to Pharos Swap. Okay, so here you can see this is the amount of PHRS we have for now. Okay, and the only you can't use PHRS in its normal form here. As you can see in the pools, you have to swap that PHRS to WPHRS, wrapped PHRS, for you to be able to use it here. And also, as you're swapping, you also have to swap some of that PHRS to what they call it, to Theta, that's USDT or USDC, to be able to provide liquidity here. Okay, so that's what we're going to do. We have 0.6. I'll swap 0.2 to wrapped PHRS. Okay, as you can see, it's fetched the price. So one PHRS is equals to one wrapped PHRS. So it's literally like just swapping it within themselves. Okay, so click on review swap, click on confirm swap. And you've successfully swapped your PHRS for wrapped PHRS. As you can see, you had 0.6 before, now it's 0.399. Part of it was used as fees for the swapping, right? So to get some USDT, for the liquidity pool, we also swap 0.2 PHRS to USDT or USDC, anyone you want, right? Alright, so as you can see, we are done with the swap, and if you click here, you see the amount of USDT we now have, you see the amount of wrapped PHRS we now have. Okay, like if the more PHRS you have, you can swap to get more different tokens available here. It has a way of boosting your level here on your dashboard. As you can see, level 1, level 2, level 3, we're still in level 2, so the more you interact with the testnet, that's what boosts your level. Okay, so now let's go to pool. Now we have some USDT and some wrapped PHRS. So this is a pair. You can choose to add liquidity to this pair. You can choose to create a pool by yourself. Okay, but now let's just add liquidity. So what you're gonna do is click on any pair you want. I don't advise you to think this too much. Just choose anyone and then input the amount of your token you want to add. Okay, so now if you say 50% of your total USDT, you can see this is the amount of USDT you want to add to this pool, and this is the equivalent in PHRS, in wrapped PHRS. Okay, now if you want to say 75, it's totally your choice. Okay, just make sure that the amount you put in here, you have to have the corresponding amount in its pair. Like now, had it been we did not have up to 0.19 wrapped PHRS, this wouldn't go through. Okay, so just to be safe, you can use 50 or 75 so that the transaction will go. Now you can see current price 1 USDT is 0.0023 wrapped PHRS, and mind you, this is not real funds. Okay, so don't get your expectations too high. These are testnet tokens, they are non-fungible, so don't expect that you'll be able to withdraw them. This is just telling you the current price. Okay, 1 USDT is 0.0023 wrapped PHRS. Okay, Now the deposit ratio is 50% USDT, 50% ROT. So this is just this is the amount you're depositing into the liquidity pool. Okay, so when you're done reviewing this, you can see the price difference is just a little percentage. Okay, so first of all, approve USDT. Then you approve WPHRS. So with that done, you've signed the message for adding both amounts of these two tokens to the liquidity pool. Okay, so next thing, just click on add. You can see price discrepancy between liquidity pool and quote price, blah 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 blah. Click on confirm. And congratulations, you've just added funds to this liquidity pool. Okay, as you can see, your balances went down. Before we had 0.2, but now we have about 0.05 left. Same here, your balances went down. Okay, so that is how you can add liquidity to the liquidity pool here on Pharos Airdrop. So that's all you need to know about this airdrop for now, guys. If there's any new thing, I will. Oh, we forgot to check it. Sorry. So if there's any new thing about this airdrop, I will be posting that on my Twitter and on all my socials. So endeavor to follow me on Twitter, on Discord, on Facebook, and here on YouTube. Click and subscribe, hit the notification bell so I don't miss any updates I post on this channel. And yeah, I'll see you in the next one. So stick around, guys. See ya.